Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to make a Flappy Bird game. So right now I'm just resetting everything. So when green flag clicked, and we're going to just reposition every bird. So set Y's to 0, 0, and then that's go to. And then point in direction 90, and we're going to make a new variable called Y velocity for this sprite only. And now set Y velocity to 0 forever. Change Y velocity by -1, or however fast you want the bird to fall. So right now, if you press go, there's nothing stopping it from going as fast as it likes, so it's just going to go huge. If you don't want it to go that fast, then add another block under here, which is what we're going to do, because right now, the bird is not moving anything. So use a change Y, not a set Y. If you use a set Y, this is what it'll look like, and it will not look that great. So if we do that, as you can see, it moves slower, but the bird also moves really slow. So don't use a set Y, because if you use a change Y, then it'll just move it down faster every time. So let's see it. See, that looks a lot better. Okay, so now I'm just going to reset it. Okay, so we're just going to hide this, and then we're going to broadcast a message called game loop. This was in take 1, and this is take 2. So yeah, that's why it's here. And also another message, rotate bird. We're going to need that later. So yeah, when I receive game loop, and then drop the forever loop in here. This is just cleaning up. And then we're going to make a block or a broadcast. You could choose, but I'm going to do a broadcast. So this one I didn't do, so we're going to broadcast a new message. Actually, I'm going to make a block. So the block is going to be called move or bird Y. Don't run without screen refresh, or if you want to, I don't care. So we're just going to put bird Y, change Y velocity by -1. Let's see that in action. Yeah, I just did run without screen refresh because, well, it doesn't really change anything if you do, but just in case, I'm going to make it not run without screen refresh in case we might need something longer. So now, we're going to add an if under the bird Y. If key space pressed, and we're going to set Y velocity to 10 inside of the if. Let's see that. That looks pretty good. Right now, we're going to add like something where the change Y velocity by -1. If you want to change everything from the when green flag clicked, you can do so by making a new variable called gravity for all sprites. Now we're going to set gravity to whatever was in here before, -1. And then we're going to put under the bird Y, get the gravity variable, and instead of the change Y velocity by -1, change it by gravity instead, because the gravity is still -1. So now you could play with it and get whatever you want. And nothing will change if you keep it the same way. So I'm going to make it -1.5. That seems like a little bit less, so I'm going to do it like, instead of -1.5, I'm going to do just 1.5. Or no, not 1.5, -1. I'll just revert it back. So this is There we go. That looks pretty cool. So now so we're gonna add a new thing where so we're gonna add stuff in the pipes. So actually, you know what? No, let's go in the grounds. When green flag clicked, then we're going to um forever. So if you want, you can glide the ground, or you can move the ground, like change it. Okay, so right now this is what the glide is. So set X to 150 or something like that. Right now there's like a big gap. So I'm going to set it to like something less, like 100. Maybe 80. Yeah, 80 will do. Let's see what 95 would have done. Maybe 90. 85. Yeah, so 80 was pretty good. So we're going to go on 80. And then forever, glide. So put the go to x80, y0. And then we're going to change x. No, not change x. Glide 1 second to negative 80. And then let's test. So far, that looks really good. I like the way it scrolls. So I'm going to use that. But if you want to use it, if you want to use the changing, I'll show you how. So we're going to go to x80, y0. Now, forever, change x by negative. I'm going to go negative like 2.5 or something. Let's just see how that works. That's a little bit slow. So let's go -5 probably. Yeah, -5 works. So now the x is -90. 80. So if x position is less, so get the less than, and get the x position is less than negative 80. If it's less than that, then we're going to reset the position. So take the reset. And as you can see, it works. But there's like a little bit of fidgeting here, so I'm going to go with the gliding. Yeah, I'm going to go with the gliding because there's also less code. Yeah, this works like a charm and there's no fidgeting over here. Okay, so now with the pipes. When green flag clicked. Actually, no, never mind. So, the bird, we're gonna add a new custom block called Paint Bird. And do not run without screen refresh because we're animating. So put the paint bird in the game loop, forever loop. So now, under the define paint bird, we're going to wait 0.1 seconds and next costume. And now I'm going to add another custom block called reset. Run without screen refresh. And then I'm going to put the entire when green flag clicked except the broadcast into here, into the new reset. Then under the when green flag clicked, reset, and then broadcast game loop. So now, in the reset, add a switch costume to bird 1. Let's see. Ew. What is going on? That is terribly laggy. So yeah. If we do a run without screen refresh, don't do a run without screen refresh. So just do that. But why is it laggy? I do not understand the problem, but I think I'm just gonna not do a Paint Bird custom block, and I'm gonna do a broadcast Paint Bird instead. So take away the define Paint Bird, and then do the broadcast Paint Bird. There we go, that fixed it. But what? Oh, we have to no. As you can see, the costume is not changing, and yet it's outlined yellow. So I do not understand the problem. So right now, I'm just gonna make it so that it's gonna be bird 1 for now. And maybe in the next episode we can figure it out. So we got we learned how to get the ground scrolling, and we also got the bird moving up and down. In the next episode, we're going to learn how to make the pipes move from right to the left and then increase a new score counter. And then somehow if we still can't figure out the bird animating, we'll do it all in episode 3. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. You can always unsubscribe later, and comment down what if you want to learn any more Scratch tutorials like this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone. And now it's just the gameplay time. Okay, bye.